What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So if you're looking to make serious money on the OKTrading platform, then this video is for you, okay? Because in this video I'll be explaining the new OKTrading compensation plan and rewards for you. And this time around, they are offering 100% compensation whenever you actually make any loss on this platform. So imagine you making money on this platform, and whenever you make a loss of your funds, you get compensated 100% back the amount you lost. And that is what the OKTrading platform has introduced now, and I'll be explaining the full process of all their compensation plans and all their rewards. So I'd like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full details on how you can get compensated and also make money on this platform, okay? And don't skip any parts, and also don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. And without wasting much of your time, we're going to be diving into the process right away. So if you're hearing about the OKTrading platform for the first time, I'll be dropping the link in the description section and also in the comment section below. So once you click on it, it will bring you right here to this sign up page. So you easily sign up by putting in your Telegram username here. You can put in your phone number here. You put in your email address, and a code will be sent to your email. You impute it here and also impute your password, and afterwards you actually click on the register button down here, okay? So once you sign up, it will bring you right here to the home page. So on this platform, you basically in by trading options, okay? If you look down here where you have red and green, if you click on the red option here, it will bring you right here to the BTC/USDT option trading section. Here you get to see different options like your big, your small, your odd, even, and don't worry, we're still going to explain this later on, okay? But if you click on the green side, it will bring you right here to the ETH/USDT option side, where you get to trade either the red or the green, okay? So basically, for this compensation plan, it is more situated for the BTC/USDT option section. That is saying, if you're trading more on the BTC/USDT, there are two compensation rules for it, okay, that I'm still going to explain. And also, a lot of people have been asking me questions about if OKTrading is legit or not. The platform is currently certified by IBC and also MSB, as you can see right here, okay? So I guess that will actually answer your question. As a new user, you get to actually register for this trading simulation carnival here, where you can get to win numerous prizes up to an iPhone 17 Pro Max. And also, whenever you make your first daily deposit, you get 10% bonus on every deposit you make on a daily basis, okay? And there are also other ones that you can also check out right here, but those are the two ones. Now, moving into the compensation plan that I'm going to be talking about, we are going to be starting with the full compensation, okay? Now, when you come to this, when you click on this red section, it's bring right here to this BTC/USDT. Now, if you select the 5-minute trade right here, okay? Now, if you trade the 5-minute option here with the signal group and the calculator, and you lose all the 8 phase, you're going to be compensated all the money you lost while trading, okay? That is strictly for the BTC/USDT 5-minute trading section here. So make sure you select the 5 minutes here if you want to get 100% compensation, and you're also using the signal group and the calculator. Now let's talk about how to use the signal group and the calculator, okay? Now if I come here to my home page, if I click right here, this is the calculator right here. So what I'm going to do is to put in the amount I have in my balance, or to put in my capital. So my capital is 60 USDT, right? So I'll put it in here, and I'll select the BTC right here. Make sure it's the BTC you select, and I'll click on the calculate button here. Now this has already calculated the trade amount for me and my net profit, okay? So I'm going to screenshot this right now and keep it on another page, or you can write it down before you start, all right? Now the next thing is how you're going to use the calculator with the signal group, okay? So I'm dropping the link to the signal group in the description section below, and also in the comment section below, so that you can access it, okay? So this is the 5-minute signal group right here, and signals are dropped twice on a daily basis here. Signals are dropped from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, and also from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening, okay? I'll also be converting them to UTC on your screen, so they can be able to calculate it to your own region time, all right? Now this is how the signal will be dropped. It will tell you the transaction type, which is the 5 minute, and you also have the current period, and you have the result of the previous round, and you also have the signal for the next round, okay? Now the signal for this next round is saying we should trade small. So what you're going to do is to come back here to your OKTrading. You come here to where you have red, okay? this is the BTC option. You select the 5 minutes here. Make sure you selected it this way. So it says we should trade small. We'll click on small. Then the next thing we're going to do is to come to our calculator, right? Our calculator says our trade amount for the first round should be 0.059. So we're going to come here and we'll input it here, 0.059. All right. Then afterwards, I'll click on the trade button here and I'll click on trade. All right. Now I've successfully placed this trade. Now, if this trade actually comes out with success, I'm going to get a net profit of 0.056 USDT. And that's because my capital is this amount, okay? So imagine if my capital was more than this, it means I'll be making more net profit, all right? So that's just it. So right now, we're going to wait for this countdown right here to finish. And once it's done, we're going to see if that result was actually a win or not, okay? So here we go with the result, and it came out as a big, okay? So this one means we lost that last round. All right, now what we're going to do is to come here and come back to our Telegram and come back to the Signal group. Now the Signal group is telling us that we should trade small again. So we'll come back here again, and then we'll make sure we select the 5 minutes. We'll select small. We'll come back to our calculator, and then our calculator is telling us that if we actually lost this first phase, we should come to the second phase and trade 0.147, and we'll make a net profit of 0.081, which will cover for the previous loss. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to put in 0.147. Okay, so I'm explaining it step by step for you so that you basically know what to do if you actually doing this, okay? And it's very simple. There's nothing difficult there. So we're also going to wait for this countdown to be over, okay? So that last round was a win, guys. And coming back here, you can see that some funds have been added back to my balance here. If I click right here on my orders, you can see this was a win, okay? So that's basically how you can use the 5 minute trade with the Signal group and also with the calculator, okay? Now what the compensation rule is actually saying is that if you trade this 5 minute section here and you trade it with the Signal group and the calculator, and you use the calculator and all the signals kept losing up to the 8th phase, what you're going to do is to take a pause. You're going to screenshot the calculator you use. Then you also come here and then you scroll down, you click on my orders, and you make sure this is on 5 minutes, and you screenshot your trade history right here, okay? Then afterwards, you contact customer care service. I'll be dropping the Telegram link of the customer care service in the description section below. You send the screenshots to them, and you also add your UID, okay? This is your UID right here, or your email address, and you explain to them that you used the Signal group and you also used the calculator, and all the signal lost up to the 8th phase, and you want a compensation, and they're going to be compensating you the full amount right here. That is all your trade amount will be compensated back to your account, okay? So you can see that you can actually earn very well on this platform, and that is just the strict rule you have to follow to get your full compensation and your full money back, okay? So I hope you actually understand the particular first rule for the 5 minute trading section. Now the second rule is for the 1 minute section here. Now the 1 minute is actually much more faster, and here you can also use the same calculator used for your 5 minutes, and you also have to trade the BTC/USDT for the second rule, all right? Now there's also a 1 minute Signal group for this. I'll also be dropping the link for the 1 minute BTC/USDT Signal group link in the description section below and also in the comment section below. So this is the 1 minute Signal group here, and on this group signals are dropped 24 hours every day, okay? So signals are dropped continuously on this group, and you have the signals like this also, just like in the 5 minutes, telling you the option to select for the next round, okay? So this one is telling us we should go with small for the next round. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click on small. Make sure you have selected the 1 minute when you come here, and then we also use the calculator which says our first phase should be 0.059, right? So I'm going to input 0.059 here, and you have to be much faster in this particular round, okay? So we've done this and it says success. So we're just going to wait for this countdown to be over. So let's wait for the result, and here's the result. We got a big here instead of a small, but no panic. We're going to come back to the Signal group, and it still says we should go with small. So I'm going to come back here now. The next amount I will use is 0.147. So I'll come here, I'll go with small, and then I'll input 0.147. Then I'm going to click on trade, and it has been deducted here, and we'll wait for the countdown again. And here we go, we got another big. So this is one thing with the 1 minute signal group. There are a lot of consecutive loss, but let's see if we'll get a small. It says we should still go with small. And then this is why it's important to use your calculator. So the calculator says we should go with 0.368 for the third round. That is if we don't have a win up to the third round, right? So I've imputed it and I'll click on trade. Okay, so make sure you impute it as it is. All right, so here's the countdown, and we actually won this particular round. Okay, you can see small came out as a result, and if you look at my balance right here, it is back up. Okay, so that's basically how you can use the 1 minute signal group to trade with the calculator. Now coming to the compensation rule for the 1 minute phase is that if you actually lose up to the 8th phase right here, you're also going to take a pause, and then you screenshot it and also screenshot your trade history like you did for the 5 minutes. But this time around for the 1 minute section, because the signals are dropped 24 hours, you'll be compensated fully all the amount you lost in the 8th phase. Okay, so meaning if my capital was 60 USDT as it is now, and I traded up to 8th phase and I did not get a single win using the signal group, I'll be compensated 36 USDT. So that is over 50% of the amount I lost right here. And that is the second compensation rule. Okay, now the third compensation rule is actually very flexible, and it is for everybody. Okay, doesn't matter whether you use the calculator or whether you use the signal group, and it doesn't matter which particular section you trade. If you trade the ETH/USDT or the BTC/USDT section, you also get compensated. Okay, so basically means everybody is going to be compensated on this platform, no matter which of the rule you use. Now the third rule is saying that if the total amount you lost while trading that day was from 10 USDT to 49 USDT, you get 10% compensation. Okay, now this does not matter whether you use signal group or not, or you use the calculator or not, you'll be given 10% of the amount you lost for that day. Okay, and if you actually trade between 50 USDT to 499 USDT, you get 15%, and if it is 500 USDT and above, you get 20% settlement on a daily basis, and you can only redeem this only once a day. Okay, you can only get this once a day. All right, and all you need to do is to send a screenshot of your trade history and your UID to the customer care. I'll also be dropping the link to the customer care in the description and in the comment section below, and once you do that, you get compensation from 10% to 20% on a daily basis, no matter which section you trade or how you choose to trade. Okay, so those are the basic compensation rule. Let's quickly go through them again. The first one says you need to trade the 5 minute BTC/USDT, and you need to use the signal group and the calculator strictly. Okay, then the second one says you get compensated the amount you lost in the 8th phase if you trade the BTC in the 1 minute time frame, and if you use the signal group and the calculator, you get compensated. That's about 50% compensation. Then the third rule says you can get compensated from 10% to 20% if you actually trade without using the calculator and the signal group. If you trade at your own will, you still get a compensation. Okay, so let me know what you think about this compensation rule, and let me know if it is something worth trying in the comment section. All right, and also if you want to make your deposit on the platform, you click on the deposit button, and note that you only can deposit what you can afford to risk, because this has to do with cryptocurrency. All right, and also note that this video is for educational purpose and not a financial advice. All right, and you can deposit either with your TRX or USDT using the TRC20 network, or you can also deposit using your local currency if it appears here. Okay, formerly NGN was here, but I feel it has been removed now. But if your country's currency is appearing here, you can also do that, and you can also withdraw from as low as 5 USDT or 30 TRX. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be dropping all the links that I mentioned in this video in the comment section and description section below, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.